Welcome back on this Friday morning. As we look ahead, we are looking at a pleasant weekend, a little slightly cooler in some places. And then as we look towards Monday, it'll be unseasonably warm yet again. So a brief cool down for a couple of days, and then we're back up there again on Monday. Then next week for Wednesday through Thursday, actually will be a bit of a cooler trend. Cooler than where we were at yesterday or recent days. So we're kind of back down to reality a little bit for a few days. And it looks like we'll have a system come in Thursday night into Friday. That one will bring in some rain. So here's a look at the hour by hour. Just a few isolated showers possible. Most of the rain stays south of us today into Wisconsin. We will have some clouds increase throughout the course of the day. Tomorrow looks mostly cloudy but dry and a little bit cooler. On Mother's Day, we start off with some cloudy skies, and we'll notice that the cloud cover will gradually decrease throughout the course of the day on Sunday. Eventually mostly clear, and Monday looks really nice with sunny skies. So in the meantime, today we're looking at temperatures to climb towards the upper 60s and some 70s for interior locations. It'll be a little bit cooler along the shorelines of the Great Lakes, so find the mildest conditions closer towards the Wisconsin state line. Tomorrow afternoon, check that out. There's a little bit of a difference you can see from what we were at many days this week. Into the 50s near Lake Superior, around low 60s along Lake Michigan, 60s inland towards the south and along the Wisconsin state line to near 70 degrees for some spots. Sunday, quite similar, as most areas inland will be in the 60s. The shorelines of the Great Lakes will be in the 50s, so a little bit cooler for Mother's Day. But this is a pattern in what is happening as we head towards this weekend. Here's Sunday in the jet stream. There's a little wave of energy that kind of digs on through. That little trough brings in some slightly cooler air for us, and then we're back to above normal. Now let's continue throughout next week. This is as we head towards Thursday and Friday. Notice that big dip. This is our next noticeable disturbance that'll potentially bring in some cooler air, and aside from that, some rain. In the meantime, though, this dry stretch has been really good for us. We've allowed a lot of those water levels to drop and a lot of the localized flooding along streams and rivers to kind of recede as well. And that's good for us. But also the amount of rain that we've had so far for this season has been really good for us. You know, it's around this time of year we start to talk about the potential for some drought conditions, and check this out. The drought monitor comes out every single Thursday, and right now for the season we're not concerned about any drought conditions even extending through the northern lower, even through northern Wisconsin. Most of the drought conditions we are seeing across the country mainly encompassing the central plains. So I'm talking about Oklahoma, I'm talking about Missouri, into parts of Nebraska, into parts of Arkansas as well. As we look ahead towards this weekend, as I mentioned, a little bit cooler above normal on Monday, and then there's that cool off that we're looking at for next Wednesday through next Friday. Thursday's the day we'll likely have some disturbance come in, bringing in some rain in the evening, becoming widespread through next Friday.
After the break, have you gotten